Well, the prosecution just wrapped up their closing arguments just a few minutes ago in their attempt to prove that what happened on June 26, 2015 was in fact a second-degree murder. On that night, Julian Hernandez, the defendant in this trial, led Bakersfield police officer David Nelson on a very high-speed chase throughout the northeast part of town near Bakersfield College. Officer David Nelson crashed his patrol car in the course of that chase and died in that crash. Now, prosecutor Jim Simpson said that Hernandez, the defendant, knew that his actions that night would threaten the lives and safety of other people and that he did them anyway with reckless disregard for those other people. He told the jury that Hernandez not only could have foreseen those negative consequences, that he in fact could have even planned for them, heading out into the middle of the night with a loaded gun in a vehicle where he had just taken off the license plates that would have identified the vehicle that he was in. He said to the jury that if they could watch the events of that night as a movie and then could pause that movie at any one of several different points from the beginning to the middle till close to the end, that the viewers, the audience to that movie would likely be able to predict the end of that movie. And likewise, because the defendant could likely predict the outcome of what he was going to do that night, he should be held accountable for the death of Officer Nelson. Prosecution is wrapped up. Defense will kick off their rebuttal to that closing argument at about 1:30 after lunch. You can follow my live Twitter updates at Kyle Harvey on TV throughout the rest of the afternoon. Reporting live in downtown Bakersfield, Kyle Harvey, Eyewitness News.
All right, Kyle, thank you so much for that update.